Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best magic mugs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Antner Magic Coffee Mug Solar System Ceramic Heat-Sensitive Color Changing Cup. For this coffee magic mug from Antner, it has a solar system design with the volume of 12 ounces. The solar system will show up on the body of the mug as long as the temperature reaches 70 degrees Celsius. Thus, users can simply fill the mug with the hot liquid to witness the most amazing moment. This is to prevent you from drinking the cold coffee. However, for this magic mug, it is not suitable for washing with a dishwasher. Efforts for maintenance are needed due to the hand wash process. Also, it is not safe with a microwave as well. Users cannot put it in to heat up the drink. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Choosy Chef Heat Changing Sensitive Funny Mug. If you want to make your day more fun with some magic, you can consider this magic mug from Choosy Chef. It comes with 4 color designs for you to choose from. You will be satisfied to witness the process of color changing from black to white. In order to activate the magic, you can simply pour in the hot drink at the temperature of 70 degrees Celsius or over. The changing process is so fast that you must want to keep an eye on it. After you have finished the drink or the drink returns cold again, the body of the mug will return to its original shape. In order to guarantee the best customer satisfaction for you, the customer service is always there waiting to serve if you have any problems. For these reasons, you should choose this as a gift for your loved ones. At number 3, we have the Hatshark Personalized Add Your Custom Text and Photo White Ceramic 11 ounces Coffee Mug. Another magic mug is from Hatshark. It has many background colors for you to choose from. Users can add text, such as name, initials as well as kid names on it. Moreover, if you wish to print an image, you can simply send the image to the shop and let them create the design for you. This mug is made in the US, and it comes in a crush-proof package to ensure the best quality at its arrival. In addition, the mug is made of ceramic, and it is designed to hold about 11 ounces of hot drink. Interestingly here, it is safe with both a dishwasher and microwave. Therefore, users do not have to spend a lot of time to do the cleaning on their own. At number 2, we have the Personalization Lab Custom Magic Photo Mug 11 ounces. Personalization Lab provides us another magic mug that is a nice gift for yourself as well as your surrounding people. To make the design, buyers can simply press the Customize Now button to create the design. The design can be photos, texts or logos, according to the user's preferences. The mug has a volume of 11 ounces, and it is made of high-quality ceramic. The color changes immediately at the time you pour hot beverage in, and it touches the bottom. This is a much better choice than having a printed mug. It can serve as an entertaining activity for you to enjoy the whole day long. Users can print up to 2 designs because it has the double-side printing option for you. And finally, at number 1, we have the Marvelous Printing Express 11 ounces Black Color Changing Personalized Mug. Moving on to the next magic mug from Marvelous Printing, it is suitable for both hot and cold drinks. However, the effect of the image printed on the mug might be worse while holding a cold beverage because it is only slightly visible. However, when you add the hot drink inside, the image will show up, and the color of the mug changes to white immediately. If you want to customize your own design, you can simply drop the image or text there in the cart. The mug comes with a volume of 11 ounces, which is just enough to hold an ideal size of hot coffee or tea. Thus, it is suitable for both home and office use. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.